made it to Hanson Beach. I thought I might have the place to myself, but no. I think they're going to wander on a bit further. I'm going to start off with a lure and then I might work my way down the beach. There's a bit of a dark patch out here in front of me. Could be anything. Let's see if we can find out. I think I'm going to get wet today. Not that that really matters. 27, light northerly, not bad conditions at all. No, nothing there. I think if it is fish, they're a bit further out than I can cast. We'll have another go. Hard to tell.
Sitting at the funny distance, aren't they?
Oh, they always do. Just sit out just past where you can cast it.
Keep it interesting.
Yeah. Come on. About third or fourth cast. Monster, but it's a good start. At least it's no donut, but the school that I saw out there seems to have moved out behind the breakers. So I'll persevere a bit longer with the lure and then I might move down the beach. Right, I've moved down the beach a bit. On the other side of those two guys now. It certainly doesn't have a lot of feet to the beach today, but the tide is coming up. So you just got to give it a shot. Right, there's a school out in front of me now, and I've got one. Oh yeah, there's plenty of fish there. You can probably see the dark patch just out there. About a kilo, take that. Yeah, they're moving along the beach. I'm not going to be able to get more than one or two, that's for sure. Take that. Might just get one more cast at them. They're moving pretty quick. Unfortunately, they moved on too fast. They're out there now. And they've moved away from the beach, so I was lucky to get that one. That's alright. So unfortunately the salmon had to go out to sea to go around that white water because they were in this gutter right here. Well, that's encouraging. 2 schools and I've only been here half an hour. Very important, if you want to eat any of these fish, cut their throat and bleed them and then bury them up to the tails in soft sand, keep them cool. Otherwise they won't be much good on the table. I could bait fish, but I'm watching the water out there and it's ripping from one side to the other, left to right. I'd never get a sink in a hole, so I'm better off waiting for schools to come through. Got quite a good vantage point here, so might just have a Coke and chill out for a while. The wind was northerly when I got here, which is out that way. Now it's coming off the sea. That's going to make conditions a little bit more challenging. Oh, I picked up a stray. Oi! No visible school. Doing his best to throw that lure. Come on, up you come. Again, no size, but a fish is a fish. Right, so cut the throat. There'll be a fair bit of blood. Break the neck. And he's done. Put him in next to the other one. Oh, that's cold. Nothing on the lures. I've given it a good go, so I'm going to resort to bait for a while. I've got cockles and a popper. There might be something in the close gutter. We'll see. Right, I've got something on bait. I think it's going to be pretty small. Yep, that's small. It's a Tommy. Jagged in the face. How can I tell it's a Tommy? Because it's got the black tips on the tail and the rough skin. He's too small for anybody, so he's going back. Alright, let's see if we can get something a little bit bigger than a 15cm Tommy. Pretty quiet on the bait front. Only had a couple of little bites, but still, what a beautiful day to be out on the beach. But oh dear, that one's a salmon trout. You can tell because it has smooth skin and no black tips on the tail. Right, I've got something else. Another salmon trout. Another one. Another salmon trout. Hope it didn't get off. Unfortunately, it got off. That's the way it goes sometimes. You just got to keep persevering. So let's get another couple of baits back out and try and catch him. Got him this time. This might not be a bad fish. Certainly better than those little salmon trout I was getting before. Yeah, he's alright. Ooh, something's had a chunk out of him. We'll have a look at him in a... Oh, look at that big sore on his side. Well, that's about as unlucky as you get. You survive an attack, and then I catch you. Gee whiz, he hasn't just been attacked, he's got a bloody great hole in him. Well, I think this is going to be my last fish. Oh, he got off. He got off. Forget that. Beautiful spot. Well, tide's high, water stirred up, fish have stopped biting, so I'm going to call it a day. It's been fun. I've had about 2.5–3 hours on the beach. I got 3 good salmon, 3 small salmon and a tommy. I'm pleased with that. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.